So I have arrived in Trindade train station. I feel super awkward talking on streets, but that's life, eh? I'm going to a training session. I booked a room in ALC Dance that teaches different dance genres. But I'm just having the room to myself to get ready for my show that I'm gonna do on weekend. So thank you for listening. I hope you heard something. I've been hit by a car almost already 3 times because I don't understand the traffic here yet. But I like the area. Kind of reminds me of Sydney for some reason. Yes, there's the ALC Dance Company. I don't know if you can see, somewhere there. And yeah. So I arrived in the studios, got the smallest room because it's all I need. The bigger one's more pricey, but with a better view. Here I have a view for some construction guys, some houses. A crane. There's a crane everywhere. Okay, let's do it. Hello again. In training still, trying new stuff out. Subscribe. If you like what I do. If you don't, you still subscribe so that you can just watch me and feel how angry you are about the fact that you don't like me. That's in fashion these days. That's how it goes. Okay, so let's try to back to this. And yeah. I'm gonna do a little improvisation to one of my favorite songs these days. It's from Salvador Sobral. So as I moved to Porto, I also started listening a lot of Portuguese music, and he's with Amália Rodrigues, of course, my favorite. And yes, so it's just improv, just trying to get into the flow. You don't need to, all this judgmental things that you don't need to do. Cool.
Congratulations, you have survived the video. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching this. I'm trying to post more videos of me training. I'm searching for different places in Porto to train. And yes, that was a pretty good place. I really recommend checking it out. Like you saw before, it was ALC Dance. They have Facebook and websites and everything up on the internet. Now, next thing, after watching this video, it's very recommended that you do these 3 following steps. You press on the button with a bell that says notifications. Then you press on the button that says subscribe, and then you share this with your friends. And then there is a 4th extra bonus step that you should take, and this is clicking on the next video. This one is probably my favorite because it's very exciting. It's gonna show me performing, it's gonna show the best part of Porto, in my opinion, and it's gonna have a very exciting story about how everything got locked down. So stay tuned and have a great time.